Go. I think the manager may be one of those robots from the future.
What are you gonna do with the gun?
Shoot him. If he doesn't die, he's obviously one of them. Duh.
So you're gonna shoot our manager?
Yeah.
What was that?
Oh, look, you guys. Probably just yanking your chain.
It's been gone for like 3 hours.
Nick! I think the copier's a time machine.
The cancel button?
That's what I pressed right before it happened.
And nobody's discovered this by now.
Guess no one presses the cancel button.
So, Lake Cretaceous period, you say? See any cool birds there?
Birds? I don't remember seeing it.
Alright.
Are you quizzing me?
I just need to see if you're telling the truth.
Then have a go at it yourself. Press the cancel button.
I can't. I have a really bad rash.
Whoa, dude, that rash still has not gone away.
Ooh!
Good.
Ooh!
Yeah, I've had it for 3 months now, and I've tried everything from antibiotics, lotions, even to zebra.
Wow! I really don't need to know about your rash right now. If you don't believe me, I have pictures. Took these right after
Looks fake, like CGI.
Do you really think I'd lie about something like this?
I don't know, Nick. Let's see. In the past, you've sprayed fake blood all over my desk and filled my drawers with butcher knives. You've laced my coffee with concentrated laxatives, and yesterday you lit my cubicle on fire.
Speaking of which...
Oh no 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 no! Oh!
Are those pterodactyls, too?
Archaeopteryx, actually.
Wow.
They are a cousin
They're-
of Pter. Well,
They're legit.
I mean, they aren't as vicious.
All right, guys. Quarterly reports are due in 5 minutes.
What?
Hey, you scared about the review?
I'm not scared of anything except myself.
So if I held up this picture?
Dude, take it easy with that thing.
What? It's just a picture of a salamander.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Just put it away, man.
Okay, okay.
You know, 38% of America is scared of pictures of salamanders, so it's not even that big of a deal.
Yeah, except for you just made that statistic up.
No, Wikipedia told me so.
Wait, so you're saying you're not scared for the quarterly review?
Why would I be? We do this all the time.
I don't know, it's just something about having everyone in the room's eyes on you at the same time, you know? If you mess up, there's no taking it back.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the vice president of our branch we're talking about here, you know, presenting. What if you mess up?
Well, I guess I never really thought of it that way.
Yeah. Why do you wear a floral pattern tie? He hates floral pattern.
He does?
Didn't you hear about Lenny?
Lenny?
I shouldn't tell you about it, it'll just make you more scared.
No, no. It's okay. Tell me.
Well, Lenny, he used to work here. He wore a floral pattern tie to his last quarterly review. We haven't seen him since.
What happened to him?
You'll be fine. So we might want to think about that, maybe running down a memo to packing. It might be a good thing to do. And if we did that, in conclusion, I think our profits would increase by about 12%.
Very good, Nick. Solid numbers as usual. Who's next?
Let's see. Matt.
Yeah, Pedro. Would you mind getting Matt?
Yeah. Sorry I'm late, guys. Sorry, I'm here now. Okay. So how about that airline food? Anybody see the last episode of Ugly Betty? I heard it was a doozy. No. Alright, I'm gonna do my presentation now. Thought I'd open with some humor, so. Okay, hi. My name is Matt. Can't even read my own handwriting. Speaking of which, isn't it funny how phonetic isn't spelled the way it sounds? Because it
Matt, would you just do your presentation?
Is it on here or is it just me? Yeah, I feel like I'm exclaiming here. What do you guys think?
Matt, you just read the quarterly statistics, please.
What happened to him?
I'm sorry I wore this tie today. I didn't mean to. Don't chainsaw me. Like, let me. Please. 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 Look at me.